Hi, today we'll be drawing Nifty from Hazbin Hotel with markers. Let's dive in and see how to draw her step by step. To start with, a basic outline of the face is drawn, showing the initial shape. Next up, adding some details with eyes, a closed mouth, and really cute stylized hair. Onwards to the upper body, sketching a dress outline. Getting those leg lines in place, giving Nifty such a dynamic pose. With a few bold strokes, darken those legs to complete her awesome figure. Now, the fun part, coloring. A lush red dress, vibrant orange hair, and some sweet facial accents finalize the drawing. Enjoy the splash of colors.